It's Sakura Polte, gold medalist sa karate, sa kata, sa SEA Games. What's your reaction about winning in the PSA Awards, Sak?
I'm very honored to be able to receive this award since it's my first time competing in the SEA Games and the Asian Games, and I've been given many opportunities this year to be a representative of the Philippines. So yeah, I'm very honored to receive this award, and hopefully many more to come.
Your next plans for 2024 for you?
So far, I have a busy spring break ahead. So for next month, I'll be competing in the Series A, and for March, I'll be competing in the Premier League, which is the qualifying competitions for the World Championships.
And lastly, your message and support sa ating mga kababayan natin, and of course, pasasalamat.
Thank you so much for always supporting Philippines. Thank you so much for supporting the athletes. Your warm support is always our fuel so that we can work harder to raise the flag.
Alright, thank you so much, and more power to you and more success for you.